ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 41 श्लोका 4। मदङ्गसङ्गस्य फलं न दूरे क्षणेन तावत् भवतामपि स्यात् इत्युल्लपन्वल्लभतल्लजेभ्यः त्वं पूतनामातनुथाः सुगन्धिम्। Word by word meaning. Madanga sangasya meaning of the contact with my body. Phalam, the fruit. Na dure, na dhure meaning it is not distant. Bhavatam api, to you also. Kshanena tavat, very soon indeed. Syat, it will come. Iti, thus. Vallavathallajebhyah, Vallava meaning cowherd, Tallaja meaning excellent, to the excellent fortunate cowherds. Ullapan meaning declaring as it were. Tvam, thou. Putanam, Putana. Sugandhim athanutaha, didst make very fragrant. Full meaning. The fruit of contact with my body is not distant. It will come to you also very soon, as if to declare thus to the fortunate cowherds, thou didst make Putana very fragrant. Note, contact with the Lord removes all sins and confers punya, that is spiritual merit. Fragrance stands for punya. Om Tat Sat.